And hello there again, defensive folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxing. So right now, what we have here is the latest from the HG line. We have from the HG Cosmic Era, or HGCE, from the movie Gundam Seed Freedom. We have the Lightning Buster Gundam. Yes, and in this box art, we can see here the Lightning Buster Gundam, and on its back is the Blitz Dual Gundam. Yes, so that's it for the box art. Now let's take a look on the side. So again, yes, this has the seed action system here, and of course, if you have the meter unit, you can dock it with it. And yes, of course, it has different gimmicks, and as same as Buster, you know, big guns. Yep. And off to the other side, we see information of Lightning Buster front and back, and of course, information about the movie. Now let's take a look inside the box. First off, we have one bag with the white, not quite white, I think cream. Yeah, cream colored sprue, gray colored sprue, and a small sticker sheet here. Next is some orange, the cream colored again, and once again another sprue with this colored gray. And finally, here comes some green from the armor parts. So green, some neon green, yeah, and some gray. And of course, we have again the instruction manual for the Lightning Buster Gundam number 253 of the series, or for the HGCE. So again, Lightning Buster here, we have the Arca Eltman here. Again, this is still from Zaft. And again, the Arca is still, with Zack. So let's take a look individually at the sprues. Okay, so first off, we have the A sprue here, which is same with the dual blitz. It's gray, and most of it are, joints. Yeah, joints, and yeah, actually most of it is really joints. Yep, for the Gundam, and that's all in gray. So that's the A sprue. We also have the B1. Now here we can see some parts of the armor, or this one here for the feet, the gun, the big guns. Yep, that's B1. But there's also a B2, which again replicates some parts of the legs, which is this one again for the armor, shoulders here, and the big gun as well. Yeah. Then we have the new, the cream colored one, which is C1. Yep. So external parts of the armor. It also has a C2, same cream colored for the external parts of the armor. And we have D, which is a dark green for the guns, the armor, the feet, shoulders. Yeah, so dark green for that one. We also have an E1, which is a darker orange. Color scheme of Buster. And yeah, something new, which is neon green. Yep. And of course, we cannot forget the itsy bitsy tiny sticker sheet. There you go. Yeah. So there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the HGCE 1/144 Lightning Buster Gundam from the movie Gundam Seed Freedom. And yes, again, it is piloted by the Arca Elfman from Zaft. And yeah, based on the movie that I saw, spoiler alerts if still you haven't seen the movie, this is able to dock with the meter unit, and they are really closely working with compass and terminal. Yep. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, hitting the notification bell, and until next time, see you and thank you.